Hey team, this is Brian, 890. I'm here with the Rileys. Existing unit, it's 17 inches wide. We'll be replacing it with another 17-inch wide high efficiency unit. We'll also be replacing their humidifier and their condensate drain. So what we're going to do is we're going to reduce their return drop by 2 inches to make room for the media cabinet right there. They have a choke point right here anyway, so we won't be losing any CFM. I believe that's, I'll write in the notes the measurements, but we're going to go down from a 14 to a 12, I believe. So the access point is a utility room in the bottom of a split level. It's a normal size door, a normal size hallway. They have a Wi-Fi connection to module for their thermostat we'll be reinstalling. No real spatial concerns here. 890 out.